I'm good. I'm happy. How are you?
I am good.
Are you happy? E? Yes, you are.
Good evening, everyone.
Rupal teacher. Rupal teacher.
Okay, I guess, Rupal ma'am, we have everyone in. Can we start?
Hi Rupal teacher.
Hi Namya, hi Vivi.
Hi. Hi Rupal teacher.
I'm fine. How are you? Yeah, we have all the participants.
Rupal teacher.
Hi Miloni.
Hi.
Good evening, everyone.
Hi.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Hi. Hope you all are doing well. Okay, so today, thank you, parents, for joining in for today's webinar. There is a major network issue, so if we log out or we are not able to connect, please stay there. We will be reconnecting again. Yeah. Uh, we would like to welcome Shaili Shah today, who
Oh,
is going to be conducting this webinar here today for us. Welcome, Shaili.
hello. Thank you so much for having me here, Ojas and Rupal
It's a
ma'am.
pleasure
Thank you
for
so
me.
much.
Pleasure for us to have you here. Shaili has done one webinar earlier also for us. It was a storytelling session which the kids had enjoyed a lot. Uh, Shaili Shah, for those who are not aware, she is a passionate early childhood educator, a French tutor, and a story writing teacher. She has worked in the field of preschool and higher education for over 10 years now. So she has a rich experience. She also is having her own brand called Emosci, which is related to unique science, like stories, emotions and science related activities, amalgamation of stories. It focuses on critical thinking, creative imagination, problem solving. So basically, working upon overall child development through her all different activities. You can visit her page, you get more details. Today, Shaili is here to share with us a few tips on how, what is the art of being calm, like also for elders and for kids. I'm sure Shaili will help us
Yes,
also with that.
absolutely. Okay.
Sure, then
So,
without wasting more time, I hand over to you. Thank you.
okay. Thank you so much, Ojas, Chippendale School, for having me here. Our topic for today is anger. Tantrum management. All of us, Arey, my bacha, he doesn't listen to me. He kicks, he yells, he shouts. All of us have this complaint. Trust me, even I go through the same because I have a soon to be 3 year old, okay, at home. And he's a boy, so you can imagine. So today's story is about how do we manage anger? What techniques can we teach our kids on their own that they can understand that I'm getting angry, I need to do something. But firstly, we need to understand what anger is. I get angry. But why do I get angry? That's important. Getting angry is just the tip of the iceberg. But yes, why am I getting angry? The signs in kids of being angry are they start hitting, they start shouting, they scream, they scratch. These are the signs of them being angry. So, number one, we need to understand and we need to pick up these signs. Before these signs go into a full blown tantrum, we need to stop this and talk to them, give them attention. Secondly, what are the triggers? Why are they getting angry? They don't get attention. Somebody snatches their toy. They want to do something, like probably they want to have a bath for a lot of time. You say, no, come out in 2 minutes. They have a tantrum. They don't want to eat something, and you tell them, oh, you have to eat this, you have to eat this, you have to eat this, in a very authoritative tone. They get angry. So, when we are dealing with kids' anger, it's very important to make it normal. Everybody gets angry, that's not an issue. But what do I do with this anger? Okay. So, firstly, to make anger very normal, you get angry, but aggressive behavior is not okay. Being angry is okay, but aggressive behavior is not okay. Number two, what are the signs? You have to pick up the signs. Oh, he started scratching. Oh, he started screaming. Must be something. Try to find out what is triggering his anger. So that is your third point. What are the triggers of his anger? Is he hungry? Is he sleepy? Is he getting bored? Is he not getting attention? Is the elder sibling troubling him? Is the younger sibling snatching toys away from him? What could is he being teased by somebody? Oh, you're so small, you can't do it. Things like that. So these are the 3 points we take in care, and then we go to how do we tackle anger. Now, generally, what I do with my kid is I always do things in a story format. When I tell him, Hian, do this, Hian, don't do that, I'm sure he does the opposite. So, what I do is instead of directly telling him, don't be angry, don't do this, don't do that, present a story to him. And in the story, I tell him everything and anything that I want to tell him indirectly. So I show him this is the right behavior, this is how we are supposed to behave, or this is how what we are going to do. And and then they pick up on their own. Okay, so now our story starts. Everybody can put yourself on mute, and our story's name is The Enormous Turnip. Okay, is everybody ready? Is everybody ready for the enormous turnip? Yes. Put your hands. Thumbs up. Yes, put your hands up and give me a thumbs up. Yes, I'm ready for the enormous turnip. Once upon a time, not very long ago, there was an old man. And from his pocket, he found some seeds. And you know what seeds were they? They were turnip seeds. And he said to old auntie, old woman, what do I do? The old woman said, why don't we sow them? We will give them water, then there will be sunlight, and the turnips will grow and grow and grow. And we can all make turnip soup, and we can have turnip soup. Wow, what a brilliant idea! So the old man and the old woman, they started sowing the turnips. Then what do we need? We need water, then there was sunlight. Turnips started growing big and big. Y'all can do this action with me. Big and very big and enormous and gargantuan. Something that's very big is called gargantuan. It became enormous. It became gargantuan, very big. And the old woman and the old man said, yes, let us pull this out and make turnip soup and eat. So the old woman said, I'm going to the kitchen. I will prepare everything and you remove the turnip. Old man said, okay, I will remove the turnip. And and he held the leaves of the turnip and he started to pull. Ooh, ooh, oh, oh. Oh, the turnip did not come out. It was stuck because it was very big. The old uncle got very angry. He started screaming. Ah! What did the old uncle start doing? He started screaming. Ah! And he got very angry. The old auntie came running. She said, why are you screaming? Calm down, relax. So uncle said, how do I relax? How do I calm down? Uncle said, show me your 5 fingers. Everybody show me your 5 fingers. Very good, show me your 5 fingers. Now these are your birthday candles, okay? Blow your birthday candles. 1. Blow the second candle. Blow the third candle. Blow the fourth candle. Blow the fifth candle. Anger went away. He became calm. So auntie said, come on, I will help you. I will not leave you alone. I will help you remove this turnip. So old uncle, old auntie, both of them started pulling and pulling and pulling and ooh.
turnip did not come out because it was very fat. It was not coming out. And you know what happened this time? Uncle kicked the turnip. Yeah, kada. He kicked the turnip. The old auntie was shocked. You're kicking the turnip? Just then, there was a little girl. She came running. Uncle, why are you kicking the turnip? Don't kick. Don't get angry. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Calm down. So uncle said, how do I calm down? I did blowing the candles. Nothing happened. What do I do now? So the little girl said, put your hands up. Okay. When you put your hands up, breathe in. When you put your hands down, breathe out. Do it 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5,
Come on, children, everybody has to do it.
6. Come on, everybody do it with me. 7, 8 times. And the uncle became calm. Anger went. He did not feel angry. And now he was not furious. First he was angry, then he had become furious. But now anger went. So the little girl said, come, I will also help you. So the old man, the old woman, and the little girl, they started pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling, and boom! It did not come out. This time uncle was irked. He was not furious. He was not angry. He was irked, very angry. And he punched the turnip. Boom! 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 Everybody was shocked. Uncle is doing all this. He's being aggressive. Not good, not good. There was a young man. He came running, ting, 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 ting. Uncle, what are you doing? Calm down, relax, calm down. Everybody put your hands. Calm down. Put your hands on your head. Calm down, relax. Don't get so irked. Don't get so angry. What can I do? Okay, I'll tell you. You all have Play-Doh. You all have clay at home. Okay, you can use your Play-Doh. You can use your clay. When you play with your clay, no, all your anger goes away. You become relaxed. So when you get angry, you can even use your clay. So the young man said, come on, I will also help you. Old man, old woman, little girl, young man, they all started pulling. Did the turnip come out? No, the turnip did not come out. So now what to do? Uncle was exasperated. The uncle was exasperated. When you're very angry, you have to say, I am exasperated. The uncle was exasperated. And this time, you know what he did? He spat on the turnip. Did you spit on anything? On food? But the uncle did that. And all the people were shocked. Huh? Why are you doing like this, uncle? Just then there was a small little mouse. He came squeaking. He said, why are you all getting so tense? Uncle, relax, calm down. I have an idea. We can do this. We will all form a chain, one by one by one by one by one, and we will try to remove the turnip. But before that, let us all drink water. 1, 2, 3. When you drink water 3 times, you become calm. Okay, they have drunk water. Now, 1 hand, 2 hands. Everybody hold the turnip. Try and remove. 1, 2, 3. Woo! The turnip came out. Everybody became happy. They started dancing. Yippee! Yay! The turnip had come out. Everybody was so happy. And the old woman said, come on, I am going to make some nice turnip soup. Everybody wait here. The old auntie went, tick, 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 tick. She quickly made the turnip soup and she gave everybody the turnip soup. After drinking the turnip soup, uncle said, first I was angry, then I became furious, then I became irked, and then I became exasperated. But we should not do hitting, kicking, spitting, stamping, punching. When I get angry, I can blow the candles off my hand. Or I can do hands up, hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. I can play with clay. I can drink water. And I can ask for help. If I can't do anything on my own, I should ask for help. So when you are also stuck with something, you can't remove something that is very heavy. You can't put your puzzle properly. Don't get angry. What can you do? You should ask for help. Mama, Papa, Dada, Dadi, whoever is there. You can ask for help. Elder brother, sister. Can you help me? And you can always sit and calm down using any of the techniques. So whenever you feel like spitting, hitting, scratching, punching, you have to tell yourself, okay, I am angry. What should I do? Okay, I am going to sit in one corner and try and relax. I can drink water. I can breathe deeply. I can play with clay. I can do coloring. I can hug my favorite toy. But I am not going to do any of the bad behavior. So that is the end of our story, The Enormous Turnip. Okay. And after this, we are going to do a wonderful experiment. And this experiment is called the Calm Down Bottle. For that, I will show you what you all will need and how to do. After the session, you can all do it at home on your own, okay, with mama's help. So for that, I need one bottle. Okay, I will need a transparent bottle. Long or medium bottle is fine. Small bottle, the effect will not be too much. So we need a clear bottle. Okay, if there is some tags, you can remove the tags, you can peel it off, but we need a plain bottle. Then we will need one full bottle water, okay, one water bottle full with water and some dish soap and some glitter. You can have glitter, you can have sequins, stars, whatever you have with you. Okay, so first I am going to put some glitter. Okay, I've already put glitter in my bottle. Okay, it was messy, so I had put it in the sink. If it gets messy, put a tray or a an activity mat down. So first put glitter. Then fill your bottle with 3/4 water. Don't fill till the end, till the rim, because the kids can press and it can overflow or something like that. So with lot of concentration, fill the bottle. I would suggest if the kids are 2.5 and above or even 2 years, they should be given the opportunity to pour on their own. They might, spill it, drop it, make a mess, but pouring is a great activity. It's really superb for concentration, motor skills, coordination. Okay, as in even when I am doing it, I need so much concentration when I pour something. So imagine it will do wonders for the kids. Okay. So this is my bottle. There is glitter, there is water. Now to add some foam, I have taken liquid dish soap. In my glitter, I have also added sequins, stars. Okay. You can shut this bottle, close it very carefully. Kids, if you all are doing it, close it very carefully, otherwise it will fall on you. And now the magic begins. Okay, everybody, see clearly how the bottle is looking. Okay, now can you see the magic? Can you see the magic? This is the calm down glitter bottle. So whenever you get angry, your mamas can make one nice place for you near the window or any place that they like, which is quiet. Have a calm down kit with this bottle. Train them to go to that place when they're angry and self calm themselves. Have crayons, sticking activity, whatever they like, their stuffed toy, a particular book that they like, clay, everything that they like. Make a small little hamper, a small little kit, and label that place as calm down corner. Nothing like, all of us can get, we have a lot of emotions. We can control a lot of emotions, but anger is something even we do not, can't control it very well. So this is a very good activity for kids as well as the elders. I'll do it one more time. See, this is the clear bottle. Okay. And now I'm really angry. Okay, kids, everybody get angry. Oh, let us all get angry. Oh, and now, ta-dang, ta-dang. Can you see the magic? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling calm? Yes. So we have Miloni who's doing the activity with us. Great, Miloni. Then show us how your bottle went. This is the calm down bottle. And this is the end of our session. We'll do a quick recap. At Emo Science, that is what Ami and Shelly, the two of us, we conduct these classes, and we have a parent body. It's called Swadhyay. We are on Instagram, Facebook. My colleague and my partner, Ami, she is a very well-known storyteller at an international level. I am a preschool educator and a higher school educator, 10 years. And at Emo Science, that is what I would like to talk about here, is that we deal emotions. We deal with emotions right from, happy emotions, sad emotions, negative emotions, which even kids, go through. It's very easy to tell a kid, don't get angry, don't cry. But can we ourselves control that anger, control the sadness, control the depression? No, we can't. So we cannot expect our kids to do that. Rather, let us equip themselves. And that is what we do at Emo Science. We have emotions, we have stories, and we have science, and we amalgamate them. So any story that we do has the crux as emotions. And we have a story based on that, which is very rich with vocabulary. It has techniques of how to deal with that emotion. How do you feel when you're feeling that emotion, when you're going through? So it is basically making the child aware that emotions are normal and how to deal with them. Secondly, it is very important to have a very emotionally intellectual child. Okay, your child knows the continents, knows the numbers, can count 0 to 50. It is amazing. But to make a child who is emotionally intelligent, that's the task and that's the need of the hour in today's generation, where kids think so much, they're so independent, they think so early in their lives, which we didn't. They question so much. So that is what we do. The topics we take up are curiosity, sadness, happiness, excited, anger, temper tantrums. How do we deal with all these things? And that's how we do it. So we did a story, we did vocabulary, and we did a nice experiment. And Miloni is doing the experiment, and it's a beautiful experiment you're doing there, Miloni. Thank you so much for trying it out. The others can also try it out. Majority of the kids' names are not there, but Sarah, Dishan, Komal's son, Bhagyashree's child, all of y'all. Naughty boy Virat, Namya, Rian. Yes, very good Namya for doing it. All of y'all can also try this out and let us know your feedback. Ami is here. Would you like to I'd like to introduce Ami.
I just saw that Ami has joined in. Thank you, Ami, for joining in. And I know you're running very busy, but
Thank you so much. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children. Shelly, you were amazing. I mean, I am in love with the story, what she does, and the activity. And yes, parents, rightly the way Shelly said that we want our child to be completely, intelligent. Sports में first आना चाहिए, cricketer बनना चाहिए, footballer बनना चाहिए, which is amazing. Why not, right? We all want that prodigy effect in our children. But EQ is something very, very important. Today we are on 10th of October, which is World Mental Health Day anyway, where we should be talking about emotions, which is absolutely normal. What is not normal is just happy, just sad, just angry. What about the layers? What about really understanding what are these emotions? Why don't we equip our child to say that, you know what, I'm hurt, I'm not angry, I'm hurt. I did not like what you did. It's absolutely great because this will help your child when he or she grows up to communicate better, express better. Today, we adults, we know that we face this issue by expressing, right? We are not able to express because all I can express is आज मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, आज मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, I am hurt, I am angry, I am sad, or I am happy. But there are so many other things. So, since we are aware, why don't we let our child understand that it is amazing to have emotions, and there are so many ways to, have fun with your emotion. And what you did today with the calm down bottle, I think it is one of the most amazing, amazing thing. Adults can also try, children can also try. So, yes, so, everyone, please keep talking to your children, communicate better, give them vocabulary, give them that understanding of that, there is something more than just happy and sad. So, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Ojis. Thank you, Shelly. Thank you, parents. And of course, children.
Thank you, Ami. It was very insightful. It's always a pleasure to have you and Shelley.
Yes,
Looking
and it's
forward to
actually
many
true.
more.
We need to speak that we are not angry because that is a common word we as parents use, so the children are also picking that only. That I'm
Correct.
angry, आज गुस्सा आ रहा है, नहीं करना है.
No,
Actually,
actually,
we as
I'd
elders
like
should
to
be careful.
I'd like to say that, okay, if you're getting angry, tell your child, I'm getting angry and I feel like hitting, I feel like kicking, but I'm not going to do that. What would you think I can do? I think I can just sip of, some hot coffee. I think I feel better when I sip coffee. And that is the way I'm going to calm down. So tell them it's normal. If you obstruct a feeling or an emotion, it will stay inside. Tell them it is okay to be angry, but aggression nahi karna hai. I'm not going to be aggressive. I'm not going to punch, kick, hit, slap, or anything like that. I'm going to calm myself down. I'm going to try and understand, why am I angry? Okay, I'm hungry today, that's why I'm angry. Okay, I'm sleepy today, that's why I'm angry. So when you are talking to your kid in that manner, अरे आज बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, he and today I'm very angry, but what to do? My boss na, he told me so and so things, or there was so much work at home, I'm so tired, that is why I'm angry. What do you think I should do? You think I should kick all my books? Arey no, yeah, I don't think I should do that. I think I should probably go and have a nice shower. That makes me fresh. Okay, I'll do that. So that is what we are going to normalize it. Anger, it's very normal, and it's a very healthy emotion to be angry. Yourself, you understand it, that this is, it comes on your self respect, sometimes on your wishes. If you're not angry, acha kisi ne toy utha ke le liya, that child is like, ha le liya to le liya, it's okay, take another one. You don't want to raise your child that way. Okay, he's taken it, what do? I can go and ask the teacher, that's my toy, I was playing it, he grabbed it. Secondly, go and find another toy which is similar. Thirdly, go and ask that kid, that is my toy, I was playing with it, give it to me, after 2 minutes I'll give it back to you. So empower your kids rather than obstruct that feeling.
Great. Parents, do you have any questions, any queries, or anything which you would like Shelley's insight on? You all can unmute yourselves and ask, or you can put it in the chat box. Okay, great. Shelley, your storytelling session was amazing. I so enjoyed it. The way you also introduced new vocabulary words into it, like how, those like different words
Exactly.
for aggression and anger and all. It was really great. Thank you so much. We had a, very interesting and insightful session. Thank you so much for your time. I hope parents you all enjoyed.
Yes, and
Please
all
share your
we
feedback.
all will make that glitter bottle, I'm sure. Everybody
Yes.
will make the glitter bottle, right? Namya, Vidhan, everybody has to make the bottle, okay? Yes, Namya has already made it.
Do share with us, Rupal ma'am,
Yeah, surely,
what your
surely.
kids are doing. We'll be very happy.
Definitely. Yes, for sure.
Yes. Thank you, Ojas ma'am, for having us here.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
dear.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank
kids.
you,
Bye,
parents. Have a
children.
great
Bye.
evening.
Bye.
Bye, parents. Bye bye. See you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, teacher. Tunkle glitters.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher. ये जो पागल
Bye, Namya. Bye, Vidhan.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, baby.
Bye, teacher. Bye, Cherry auntie.
Bye.
Bye, Sarah.
See, teacher, Shelly auntie. The teacher said bye, Sarah. See you on Monday.
Shelly teacher. Thank you, Shelly teacher.
गुरु को नहीं है तो बेटा, ही ना बताए